Benvenuti tutti, that's a soda pop from Soda Hughes, and you are watching Moloch. And today for this acquire, we have a piece that is crazy that I was even able to get at this point. It's from Kelly Lou. She goes by Kelly SUX on Instagram. The artwork was packaged amazingly well. There's no backing board, but it's in between two slabs of cardboard in a nice thick envelope. So it made it safe. Her works are typically a little bit more expensive, not crazy, but a little more expensive. And she typically sells on a couple of gallery sites. I think she might be on Giant Robot or something like that. Every time I go to try and find her work, she sells out. She sells out very fast. But I saw something and she was kind of talking about how it was just a little sketch, nothing big, which made me feel like maybe it wasn't going to go to a gallery. But I thought it was beautiful. It was mostly this that I saw, and again, whenever I get sketches from her, so like, man, there's some like other drawings and scribbles on the page. I'm sorry, do you really want this crap? I'm like, dude, your art's amazing. I love this. Like, yes, I definitely want it, and I'm not opposed to some extra drawings on the page. She was very generous. She gave me an incredible deal. I felt guilty for how little. I'm not going to mention it just in case because I felt like it was almost robbery. I tipped her extra because I felt bad for how little she was selling it for. But I am excited that I was able to get a Kelly piece. She's got a little business card and she's got this really, really cool holographic sticker included. I have some holographic labels that I use for my originals. But I've always kind of wanted to get into sticker making. Maybe I'll do that. But here you see, incredibly beautiful sketch. I love her line work. Just an amazing artist. Go check her out. Also, this reproduction is going to end up on my Patreon. So if you want to check out a scan of it, you can go there. Support me so I can support other artists and continue, bringing content to this channel, art books and original art. It's hard to do on my own, so I'm hoping to start growing the Patreon too. Thank you for checking this out. Hope you love this art as much as I do. And I hope to see you guys again. Take care.